If you have a passion for gardening and also for helping others, and you're interested in a career working with participants of the NDIS in aged care or community services, join my Therapeutic Horticulture training. Sessions are coming up in July and also in September. You'll find all the details in the links below. I'm providing my masterclass training for anyone that's interested in providing meaningful gardening activities to help others enhance their health and well-being. There'll be online training videos and resources, live masterclasses. So if you're interested in a career in therapeutic horticulture to provide those meaningful activities to help others, get all the information below. Information for bookings is also there, and join me live or online. I really hope to see you there.
I thought I had a fairly good grasp of what therapeutic horticulture or gardening for wellbeing was about, but Cath is so inspiring and she's able to communicate the specifics of what our activities can really bring to people, and I think that was highly valuable for me.
She's just made it really accessible, made me think that, I can move into that field and, do this work now, feel confident going forward.
I really feel that after these 2 days I can walk out of here and just go, just set myself up and just go. I'm feeling so confident now. I wasn't confident in the beginning coming here, but I feel immeasurably confident now.